Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch back to the classic Facebook business page using your phone. Let's get started. Just a quick heads up, Facebook has removed many pages permanently to the new page experience, and not all pages can switch back, but here is what to try on your phone if your page still has the option. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right, then tap on Pages and choose your business page from the list. After that, tap on Switch. Once you are on your page, tap the menu icon at the bottom right, then tap the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap Page Settings or New Page Experience if it appears. If your page still supports it, you may see an option that says Switch to Classic Page or Exit New Page Experience. Tap it and follow the on-screen steps to switch back. If you don't see that option, it means Facebook has fully removed your page to the new version and you can't switch back anymore. And that's how you try to switch back to the classic Facebook business page on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.